there are many spaces where people are willing to, the language that I use is trust towards. Like we might not trust yet, but we're trusting towards something different, and we're allowing that to shape us. I'm around a lot of spaces where that work is happening, and that it doesn't feel super radical. It feels like, what else are we going to do? More of the same? Like we see the harm. What else are we going to do? And that so many of these practices are rooted in indigenous practice, Native Indigenous, Black Indigenous history, the history of us before the industrial this and that, right? There are lots of ways of being together that the progress of cityfying the things has cost us, and that our bodies still remember how to do. And that little slivers of being in healthy, right relationship kind of unlock or release more of that. And that our young people have more and more voice, so they help to shape the spaces that we're in, so that we're not having to feel like we got to be so radical. It's like, if you could just like listen and pay attention and recognize that, like, what your condition intends to cause you to do, and practice that, all of it is not so much of a heavy lift. Some of it is a relief.
This is Lynn Fraser. Join us for the 2024 Radical Recovery Summit, January 12th to 21st. RadicalRecoverySummit.com